Hi, my name is Joshua Campbell. I'm an Extension Associate for the Department of Horticulture and Landscape Architecture at Oklahoma State University. I work mostly in central Oklahoma in the area of water conservation. So I work with the City of Oklahoma City and other municipalities to educate citizens about the importance of water conservation in their home landscapes. One of the programs that we've developed here in Oklahoma County is the Simple Irrigation Checkup program run by Master Gardener volunteers. We're piloting the program here this year with the hopes of having a full-fledged program and service that we offer to homeowners of Oklahoma County. With the Irrigation Checkup program, what we do is we start by asking the homeowner to show us where their irrigation controller is. We go to the irrigation controller and we're able to look at the set program and watering schedules that they have and really get an idea of the length of time that they're watering and whether they're watering on the right odd or even day of the week based on their municipality's regulations. We're also able to get an idea of any changes that could be made to the watering schedule to help the homeowner be more efficient with the length of time and the way that they're watering their landscape. From there, we run through each zone on the irrigation system, starting with zone 1, and we walk through the landscape, visually inspecting the system, looking for any problems such as broken heads or maybe nozzles that are cracked or out of adjustment that can be adjusted. And so we just simply walk through the landscape, and then when we notice a problem, we'll flag it and we'll take note of that on our clipboard. And at the end of the checkup, after we walk through each zone, we'll actually meet with the homeowner and we'll discuss with them all of the issues and the things that we found in their landscape that could be fixed or repaired to lead to more efficient water use. This program is available to all residents of Oklahoma County who own a home with an automatic irrigation system. So we're not building irrigation systems, we're not even actually making the repairs on irrigation systems, but what we're doing is helping provide a simple visual inspection for the homeowner so that they have a checklist of repairs that can be made. There are many reasons that a homeowner might consider choosing a simple irrigation checkup for their home landscape. One of the first reasons is that by identifying some of these common issues and problems that go on with irrigation systems, you can save yourself money on your monthly water bill. Homeowners are often surprised by the problems that we find because their irrigation systems are running in the middle of the night or early in the morning when they're not able to see. Landscapes can be negatively affected by too much water, and so by adjusting the amount of time you're watering your landscape or the amount of days that you're watering your landscape can actually lead to a healthier and more beautiful and vibrant landscape. For more information about this program and the services that we offer, you can go to the Oklahoma County Cooperative Extension website. You can also go to squeezeeverydrop.com and find more information about water conservation programs and initiatives here in central Oklahoma. And if you'd like to do this checkup at home on your own home landscape by yourself, we actually have a fact sheet. It's called the Simple Irrigation Checkup for Home Sprinkler Systems, and it's fact sheet number HLA 6615. It'll walk you through how to do this checkup at home by yourself, and you can actually use the same program and the same steps that we do as a service to homeowners there at your own home site yourself.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.